Let's imagine you get pulled over for speeding. There's going to be the cost of the speeding ticket and the speed at which you were driving. Which one of these statements is the independent factor, while which one of these statements is the dependent factor? Remember that the independent variable is the variable in an experiment that the scientist is going to change. So basically, this is the one that the scientist manipulates. The dependent variable is the variable that's going to change because of the independent variable. And this is the one that the scientists are going to measure or take data from. So in this scenario, which is the independent and dependent variable? In this case, the speed at which you were driving at was the independent variable. The dependent variable is going to be the cost of the speeding ticket, because that cost is going to change based on the independent variable, or the speed at which you were driving. Let's do another scenario. How many people can fit into the bus and the size of the bus? Which of these statements is the independent and dependent variable? Think about which one depends on the other. How many people can fit on the bus is the dependent variable, while the size of the bus is the independent variable. I always like to say it out loud. How many people can fit on a bus depends on the size of the bus. It doesn't make sense the other way around. The size of the bus depends on how many people can fit on the bus. Doesn't make sense. Last question, the amount and quality of sleep and the amount you are on your phone before bed. I'm definitely guilty of this. Which one is which, the independent and dependent variable? The independent variable is the amount you are on your phone before bed, while the dependent variable is the amount and quality of sleep you get, because one depends on the other.